This is our low voltage control wire. A lot of people call it thermostat wire, but what it does is it sends power down each of these wires to do a certain job. Each of these wires is colored. The color, it designates what it's designed to do or what we use it for. We also have right here, we have our red. This is our 24 volt hot. This will be run to the thermostat and attached to R in the thermostat because the thermostat's a switching relay. We send power in, and if it's calling for cooling, it'll send it out on power out on another wire, and that tells condensing unit come on, tells the fan come on, all that kind of stuff. Red has to be hooked up in the condensing unit also in the heat pumps in order for the unit to be able to go into defrost and energize the reversing valve. Also, it will allow the unit to send power back to energize your auxiliary heat or your second stage heat. Blue is our common. Now this will be run out to the condensing unit, whether it's a heat pump or a straight cool condensing unit. Also, this hooks right up onto the terminal board in either your air handler or your furnace. We have white. White is designated as normally your first stage heat. If you have a heat pump, this will be your second stage heat because your heat pump will be your first stage. If you have 3 stages of heat, you have a heat pump, you have your heat pump, you have a 1-stage heat, 2-stage heat, you use your black as your 3rd stage heat. So you have your black or your white for your heat pump on stage 2, black on stage 3 for your auxiliary heat. Green is designated for fan. That's your indoor fan. Whether it's in the furnace or whether it's in an air handler, this is your indoor fan motor. This normally just comes from the thermostat to the indoor unit. Then we have yellow. Yellow is designated for condensing unit. This energizes our compressor or energizes our condensing unit. Orange is for our reversing valve. If we have a heat pump, this goes from the thermostat through the air handler, attaches it to a wire nut in there, it goes out to the outdoor unit. This energizes your reversing valve in the heat pump. Brown is designated for second stage compressor, or if you have a 2-stage compressor, this would be your second stage. Yellow would be your first stage, brown would be your second stage. Easy peasy.